All right, it's Monday. It's auction week. We got the Gary Fisk tractor dispersal auction coming up this Saturday here in Mondovi. We got Ben, Brian, and Lyle, and we're starting to move items in. So we're gonna have items here at the Buffalo County Fairgrounds. Feel free to come on over and take a look. Ben, you got anything to say?
Well, I got to say one thing. It's going to be hot out here, but come down and get some hot equipment.
That's right. Brian?
Well, it's a lifetime collection, and you're not going to find stuff like this anywhere, so once in a lifetime opportunity.
And Lyle?
Yeah, she's going to be a warm one, so you better have some refreshments along, yeah. Thank you.
All right, that's it from Mondovi. This is Monday. We're going to kind of keep you in tune with what's going on. So again, live auction Saturday, June 21st, Buffalo County Fairgrounds. And for more information, go to ProCountryAuction.com.